Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. I want to address a couple. Hey you guys, I'm going to apply that DIY deep treatment mask for my hair. This is the hibiscus and marshmallow root Ayurvedic deep conditioning treatment. So if you're interested in seeing how I apply this treatment to my hair, then just keep watching. Now you guys, my hair is wet, but I didn't wash my hair yet. I notice when I have certain products on my hair, if I put too much product on my hair, I like to kind of rinse those products out of my hair if I'm not going to go in and wash my hair before I put a deep conditioner on my hair. So I wash or rinse. It's like a water wash. So I will rinse my hair out with really warm water, kind of massaging my scalp if I'm going to put a deep treatment mask on my hair without shampooing it thoroughly. Sometimes if your deep treatments doesn't work for you, you might need to shampoo your hair first and then apply your deep treatment to your hair, or do it like I do it if it works for you. Like my mask still gives me a lot of shine. My hair is really soft and manageable when I go in to shampoo my hair, and sometimes I don't even shampoo my hair after I do my deep treatment mask. So my hair benefits from it. I mean, you really have to listen to your hair. So I do have to say in every video, because I know everybody don't watch every single video, but I am suffering from COVID shedding. Yes, I said COVID-19 shedding. So as you can see where my hair looks a lot thinner at, a lot more broken off. The broken off pieces are new growth from my postpartum, like me having a baby. I lost my nape of my head and my edges, so all of that is growing back in. So it looks like broken off pieces, but it's not. It's new growth, but the thinning, the hair that looks really just thin, is from COVID. So I'm actually trying to regrow my hair, and I'm doing a lot of DIY treatments to actually get my hair to grow back, to get full and thick again. So you guys, that's one main reason why I'm on a lot of these DIYs that I've been doing and showing you guys these last couple of weeks. You guys, this mask actually needed a conditioner in it. So at the end, you're going to see me put my DIY leave-in conditioner on the top of it to help it give it a lot more slip. I thought that I put enough of the marshmallow root in my mixture to give it that slip that I was looking for, but it didn't give me the slip that I need, but it straight gave me moisture and hydration, but it didn't give slip. So if you try this recipe, hopefully you watch this video and me explaining to you that you will need a conditioner in this mixture to help give it that slip. You can do a DIY conditioner, or you can use a conditioner that didn't really give you that much hydration, and then you can add this mixture in with that mixture, or with that conditioner that didn't give you that hydration that you need. So you guys, I'm gonna apply this to my hair. I'm not gonna ramble on and on in this video. I did sleep with this in my hair overnight, and I did not follow up with a shampoo. You guys, I just straight rinsed this out of my hair, followed up with another conditioner just to kind of wash out my hair a little bit more, and then I styled my hair. I believe that wash day video will probably be up after this, but as you guys can see by my ear, that's all new growth. It's not breakage. It's all new growth from me having postpartum shedding. So yeah, you guys, I'm not going to ramble too much. Just please enjoy the rest of the video, and thank you guys so much for watching.